Hello everyone, welcome to Namak PSC Academy. So this video is a brief introduction to PSI Test series of Namak PSC Academy. So guys, happy to announce this test series is gonna be free of cost, so make wise use of it. So what are you guys gonna get in this test series? So there will be 7 sectional tests for paper 2, 3 revision tests for paper 2, 3 full length tests for paper 1 and 3 full length tests for paper 2 along with answer keys and discussions on YouTube channel. So the test series will be held according to the following schedule. So keep this in mind and prepare accordingly. So how to use the test series for achieving maximum benefits? So there are 2 introduction videos as how to answer paper 1 and paper 2. Watch these videos to understand the need of the question paper so that you can prepare accordingly. Then follow the 3R formula. So what is 3R formula? Once you watch paper 1 and paper 2, you will have the brief idea of how to prepare for both the subjects and read accordingly, then take up the test. Once you have taken up the test, check your answers with the given answer key and the discussion video and find out what are your mistakes. Then improvise it by revising again. And next, follow these 2 steps, that is repeat. So read, revise and repeat and thus keep improvising. So I hope it is clear. You can download the test series through the given link or visit namakapsc.com in the free download section. So what are you waiting for? Start now. For more information, contact the given numbers. Thank you again. All the best for your preparation.